Hangman, motherfucker. You want to pick first? You got to pick R. I decided. Ooh. Yes! All right, what do we want, Gladys? There's only, what, 3 gems and a $50 prize?
Baron's wheel.
Okay. 1 million credits, motherfucker. Or spins, 7 spins? Okay, alright, we'll take it, we'll take it.
7 free spins awarded.
That's good, right? That's the most spins that are up there. Oh, never. Oh.
Baron's free spin.
Alright, we want 3 gems. That's where the payouts are. More spins, you bitch! 7 spins! No. Oh, 7 little piggies, come on! Ooh. Put them towards the front, yes! Front, yes! More! $12.50. I'm down 30 something, so we're halfway there. With 10 times 5 times 7 little pigs. That's what we're going for. That's the hand pay. Nothing, you fucker. Come on. Nothing. Gem? Gem? Yes? Yes! Oh my god, oh my god! Okay, 10 times 7 fucking pigs. Oh! Oh shit! Over here, fucker! $54. Oh my god, I got so excited at that 7. Hi, sweetheart. Can you tip her for me, please? No.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ma'am? I should order another one. Yes! Yes! We'll put them together. All right. What do you want? What do you want? Tell me what you want.
I don't know them.
Treasure party? Gems for bacon? Well, that's what you got. I'm glad that's what you asked for. Okay. Yeah, whatever that is, awards a gem. That's what you want. So hit that shit. Is that nothing? Come on, Baron! Is that, did you get a gem? Yes! Oh, you get more spins? Did you get cherries? No?
No, I'm done with spins.
Let's take that fucker. Get 15 spins.
Spins. 15 spins. Million credits. Spins.
Great!
Could have been worse.
Yeah.